Hey everyone, it's Julianne here, bringing you another Trinity product close-up for the June 2020 second birthday celebration release. This is the adorable Just For You stamps as well as the coordinating dies. This stamp set features 3 stamps, including the cute little girl gnome you see here with her pigtails as well as a stack of presents. This stamp set also includes 2 sentiments, Just For You as well as Happy Birthday. The coordinating die set includes 6 dies, 1 to cut out the gnome, as well as 5 others that cut out the sentiments that are all included in this stamp set. So you can see here that I've stamped her all out as well as used the coordinating dies. I just love her adorable hat as well as her pigtails with the bows at each end. And she is just surrounded with a stack of presents, which make this stamp and die set perfect, of course, for any birthday cards you want to create. You could also use this for Christmas cards, as well as any other celebration, such as retirement, or maybe even you want to just create a card for a friend, and use the Just For You sentiment that's found in this stamp set. I have created quite a few cards including this stamp, including the one here where I've stamped and colored her using in some Copic markers, and I've added in some balloons as well as some pattern paper. I have also created this slimline themed card here, where again I've colored her in using some Copic markers, and I've added in some balloons as well as confetti at the top, and stamped out the Happy Birthday sentiment from the stamp set, and popped it up using some foam tape. Here is even more great inspiration from the rest of the design team, using the brand new Just For You stamps and dies. Make sure to check out the Trinity Stamps blog as well as their Instagram and our Facebook group for even more inspiration as well. And make sure that you click that like and subscribe button down below for even future design team inspiration. And I hope you have a wonderful day and happy crafting!